We're all under pressure to get the job done. But regardless of how urgent or important a job may be, nothing's worth risking your safety. Whether you're a worker or an employer, together we can make the workplace safe.
Grenade!
Because no matter what you do, safety starts with you.
Imagine you just start your normal work day, but one small unsafe action can cause an injury that ruins your whole day. That is how powerful safety workplace can be. Employees' health and safety has become a major concern in our workplace today. It doesn't just affect employees' health, but it also affects productivity and also overall success of an organization. Based on data from World Health Organization and the International Labour Organization, 1.9 million workers die every year due to work-related disease and injuries. This shows that workplace safety is a global issue that needs continuous attention. In Malaysia, we have the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, which was strengthened by OSHA Amendment 2022. This law requires employees to provide a safe and healthy workplace environment for all employees. From human resource management perspective, employee safety and health is a part of people management. HR plays an important role in preparing safety policies, organizing training, and also providing a safety positive workplace in an organization. Employee safety and health is not only a legal duty, but also a key factor in maintaining productive, safe, and sustainable workplace.
So now, let's take a look at the journey of understanding employee safety and health and why everyone seems to define it differently. Some look at safety as a legal duty, some as an HR strategy, and others as part of creating a healthy, thriving workplace. According to DESLER 2020, employee safety and health refers to organizational activities that prevent injuries and illnesses while enhancing the overall well-being of employees. DESLER emphasizes that within HRM, it is not enough to focus solely on physical protection. HR also carries responsibilities for promoting wellness and preventing risks of all forms, including those that affect emotional and psychological well-being. The International Labour Organization, or ILO 2023, provides an even broader and more holistic definition. The ILO describes as occupational safety and health as the field of study and practice that prevents work-related injuries and diseases while addressing the physical, mental, and social health of workers. This definition is particularly relevant in today's working environment because it recognizes the importance of psychological and social well-being alongside physical safety. In contrast, OSHA 2022 defines workplace safety as a work environment free from hazards. This definition focuses heavily on hazard identification, regulatory compliance, and employer responsibilities. It is stricter and more legalistic, prioritizing the elimination of risk and compliance with standards. Similarly, in Malaysia, DOSH 2023 defines workplace safety as the systematic control of workplace risk to ensure employee safety and health, as required by law. This again shows a strong legal and regulatory focus. From a strategic HRM perspective, Armstrong and Taylor 2020 describe safety and health management as a proactive HR strategy designed to reduce risk, promote well-being, and support the sustainable development of the organization. This definition expands beyond risk control and links safety and health directly to long-term organizational success. Meanwhile, Popper and Clark 2021 define workplace health as efforts to promote psychological, emotional, and physical wellness so that employees can perform optimally. Their definition highlights psychological safety and the organization's commitment to creating a healthy work environment. Although these definitions share common elements such as risk prevention and improving general well-being, each emphasizes different priorities. Regulatory bodies focus on legal compliance and elimination of hazards, while academics emphasize psychological well-being, strategy alignment, and performance outcomes. Compliance-based definitions tend to overlook mental health, while wellness-focused definitions may pay less attention to legal obligations. Considering all perspectives, the most balanced and appropriate definition for HRM purposes is the one provided by the ILO 2023. It is the most comprehensive because it incorporates physical, mental, and social well-being. It is also aligns well with the preventative HR responsibilities and supports the idea that organizational performance improves when complete safety and health systems are in place.
Imagine working in an environment where accidents are frequent or where the atmosphere constantly makes you feel stressed, unsafe, or unwell. Would you be able to perform at your best? Most of us would say no. This is why employee safety and health are essentials in every organization. Now that we've understood the definitions, let me explain why these functions play such an important role in the workplace. Firstly, employee safety and health are important because they help improve productivity. When employees feel safe and protected from physical or mental harm, they can fully focus on their tasks. A safe working environment reduces stress, avoids unnecessary distractions, and allows employees to perform efficiently. According to Dessler 2020, healthy employees are more engaged and produce better quality work, which strengthens overall organizational performance. Malaysia recorded 38,950 occupational injury cases in 2023, a 13.8% increase from the previous year. This shows that unsafe working conditions still affect productivity nationwide. Secondly, safety and health practices help reduce absenteeism and turnover. When organizations make safety a priority, employees are less likely to fall sick or experience work-related injuries. As a result, they take lower unplanned leave days and are less likely to resign. GOES 2019 highlights that a proactive safety culture leads to a consistent attendance and lower replacement costs. This stability supports continuous growth and smooth business operations. Workplace accidents contribute significantly to lost work days. The DOSM reported an occupational injury rate of 2.48 per 1,000 workers in 2023, showing that many employees still face risks that affect attendance. In addition, employee safety and health also boost morale and engagement. When employees feel valued and protected, they develop trust and motivations towards the organization. This sense of care increases job satisfaction and encourages stronger commitment. As stated by mentees and colleagues, 2021, high employees' morale contributes significantly to better performance and positive attitudes at work. The Ministry of Health reported 5,117 occupational safety incidents among healthcare workers in 2024, including needle stick injuries and accidents. Such as incidents can lower morale and mental well-being, proving why safety plays a major role in worker engagement. Moreover, investing in safety and health helps reduce organizational costs, preventing workplace accidents, lower expense related to medical bills, compensations, claims, and lost work hours. OSHA 2023 reports that preventive safety measure leads to long-term financial savings and higher operational efficiencies. In other words, a safe workplace helps the organizational save money while maintaining productivity. The International Labour Organization ILO estimates that work-related accidents and disease cost around 4% of global GDP each year, showing how expensive poor safety practices can be. Lastly, strong safety and health practices enhance an organization's reputation and ensure compliance with legal requirements. Companies that prioritize employee well-being are viewed as responsible, ethical, and trustworthy. The International Labour Organization 2022 notes that a strong safety culture improves an organization's credibility among employees, customers, and the community. This positive image helps attract talents and supports long-term business sustainability. Malaysia has seen a decline in fatal workplace accidents over the past decade, driven by stronger OSHA regulations and awareness campaigns. This shows the public expects companies to take safety seriously. In summary, employee safety and health are crucial because they improve productivity, reduce absenteeism, increase morale, lower costs, and strengthen the organization reputations. Overall, a safe and healthy workplace benefits both employee and the organizations as a whole.
Now, let's look at some of the major challenges organizations face when trying to maintain employee safety and health. These challenges can affect how well safety programs are implemented and how employees respond to them. First, one of the biggest issues is lack of awareness and training. Some employees may not fully understand safety procedures or the importance of following them. When people are unsure about what to do or why they should do it, unsafe behaviors naturally happen. This can lead to mistakes, accidents, and avoidable risks at the workplace. Next, we have limited resources. Small or medium-sized companies often do not have enough financial or technical resources to create strong, comprehensive safety programs. This means they might struggle to provide proper equipment, regular training, or dedicated safety teams. As a result, employees may not get the support they need to stay safe. Another challenge is the changing work environment. Today, many companies use remote work, hybrid setups, and digital platforms. While this improves flexibility, it makes it harder to ensure ergonomic safety, like proper sitting posture or equipment, and also mental well-being, because not everyone works in a proper office space. Ensuring safety outside the traditional workplace has become more complicated. The next challenge is cultural and behavioral factors. In some workplaces, employees or even managers may ignore safety practices. This might happen because they feel too comfortable due to peer pressure or because of workplace culture that discourage speaking up about risk. When people are afraid to report hazards, small issues can turn into serious accidents. And finally, compliance with regulations. Laws and safety standards are always evolving. For companies, especially multinational ones, keeping us with different countries' rules can be difficult. Ensuring that all procedures follow legal requirements takes constant effort, time, and monitoring. So, these are the key challenges organizations face in maintaining employee safety and health. Understanding these challenges help us find better solutions and develop safer, more supportive workplaces for everyone.
Moving on to the positive impacts. So, firstly, workplace safety and health helps to reduce absenteeism and increase our productivity. When organizations use proper safety measures, they can reduce workplace injuries and illnesses. Because of this, employees do not miss work as often and the company can continue running smoothly and better productivity. So, secondly, a safe workplace improves employee morale and engagement. When employees know they are protected at work, they feel more confident and comfortable. Feeling safe encourages them to be more dedicated, more involved, and more willing to support their tasks and teamwork. So, the third positive impact is can improve the organization's reputation and attract talent. Companies that focus on safety are seen as responsible and trustworthy. This positive reputation makes the organization more attractive to skilled job candidates, and it also helps to keep current employees. Lastly, health and safety practices help reduce our costs and minimize disruption. By preventing accidents and avoiding legal or insurance issues, the organization can save a lot of unnecessary expenses. With fewer accidents, there are fewer delays, allowing the business to work more efficiently and consistently.
Now, moving on to the negative impacts. The first negative impact is that the poor health and safety management increases the workplace accidents and injuries. If safety is not taken seriously, employees face avoidable dangers. This can lead to small or serious injuries and, in extreme cases, even deaths. Second, unsafe working conditions reduce the productivity and increase the absenteeism. Employees in unhealthy or stressful environment are more likely to get sick or feel overwhelmed. This lowers their focus and performance and causes more absence, which disrupt their daily operations.
Okay, so for the third negative impact is that the poor safety leads to psychological stress and low motivation. Employee is unsafe, workplace often feel anxious, stressed and burned out. This lowers their morale and affects their quality of the work they produce. Finally, inadequate health and safety can damage the organization's reputation and increase the financial risk. Frequent safety incidents make the organization look careless and unprofessional. It also brings extra costs such as legal fees, compensation, and insurance claims. These are expenses that could have been avoided with better safety practices. Okay, so for the conclusion, the employee health, safety, and wellness are key elements in creating a successful organization. By having engaged and satisfied employees will see increased sales growth and profitability. The HR profession provides the foundation for developing an effective work environment for establishing safety cultures through proper equipment use, consistent policies, training, and open lines of communications. When workers are comfortable being at their workplace, they are more productive, hence they stay with the employer longer.
On the other hand, companies that do not adhere to safe working practices will find themselves dealing with increased incidents, decreased employee productivity, higher stress level for workers within the organization, financial losses due to legal issues, and ultimately a damaged reputation. To minimize these negative effects on an organization, the organization must develop comprehensive safety training programs and consistently strive to enhance them. Adherence to government safety and health regulations not only provide protections for a company, employees and customers, but also ensure continued growth, satisfaction and sustainability and strengthen a resilient organization.
That's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.